Yo, what's good everyone? Contractor G in the house. Today I'm gonna be removing this unused closet and turn it into a fat shower big enough for a king to get clean. I'm gonna demolish this doorway, reinstall it on the other side of the bathroom door closing off the laundry room, creating an entranceway that's a part of the house and not the laundry. And you know we need to get rid of that ugly ceiling. Install a piece of drywall up there and make it look like there was never a closet here. I'm gonna be reusing the toilet and the vanity, so I'm gonna remove those and set them to the side. I removed the wall and already it's looking a lot bigger in here. I removed all that old drywall and flooring. Now we can get to work on the plumbing. First I had to cut open that floor and make a little mess. I framed up the closet door with a niche, installed a niche light, and installed 2 mixing bells with copper pipes. I installed the PVC drainage pipes. Here's a look from the other side. Now I'm gonna remove that doorway and reconfigure the framing. I used standard 2x4s to frame everything up. I threw a couple pieces of drywall over the closet door. You might want to pause it so you can see how I created this shower pan. I installed the shower pan liner. Then I got to work. Didn't have any time to record anything, so I jumped straight to the finish. Here you can see the drywall is finished. Got it painted. Got the trim installed. I finished the ceiling. Installed a new light. I capped the end wall with some pine and painted it. Installed the new door. Installed new floor tile. This entrance is much more inviting now. I reinstalled the vanity and toilet. I installed cement backer and then tile on the walls and refinished the shower pan floor with some natural stone. I installed an expensive sliding glass door. I designed the shower with shelves that cascade down leading towards the shower seat where you can admire all of its beauty. I installed 3 shutoff valves that control 3 shower heads, 1 handheld, 1 on the side wall, and 1 raining down from the ceiling. And I installed a piece of OG profiled PVC trim at the top of the tile. Meticulously placed tiled floor puzzled to perfection. I used some stainless steel glass and mosaic tile on the shower seat and shelves with the 45-degree beveled edge so the water can glide off with ease. This bathroom is looking crisp. Check it out. Check it out. Inside the niche, I used some 3-dimensional aluminum tile and some natural stone along the sides and underneath the shelves to give it a one-of-a-kind look. I appreciate everybody checking it out. Please smash that like button and subscribe. This is Contractor G. Peace!